Welcome back to Cake County. Today I'm going to show you how to make a soft, fluffy and incredibly delicious condensed milk cake. This recipe is super easy, packed with rich coconut flavor and perfect for any occasion. Let's get started, guys. So in a clean bowl, you want to crack 4 eggs. Separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Place the yolk in a separate bowl and set the egg whites aside. Now you're going to add 1 can of condensed coconut milk to the egg yolks. Use a hand mixer and mix until well combined. You're going to go in and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're going to add 1 stick of melted butter. You're going to mix everything until smooth and fully combined. Step 2, you're going to add dry ingredients. So now sieve into the mixture 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, Step 3. Add 2 tablespoons cinnamon sugar, and then you're going to mix everything until smooth. Add 1 cup room temperature milk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Cake County for more easy cake recipes. 3 tablespoons powdered milk. Mix everything until fully incorporated. And then you're going to set the batter aside. Step 4. Prepare the egg whites. Now take the egg whites and beat them until creamy. Quick tip, if you want stiff cakes, make sure no yolk gets into the egg white. But for this recipe, we only need a creamy consistency. So it's perfectly fine if you get some yolks into the egg white, okay? So once ready, gently fold the egg whites into the batter. Mix until fully combined, okay? Please turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload from Cake County. Step 5 is time to bake. Prepare an 8 by 8 inch baking pan and grease it well. Pour the batter into the pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 6. Cool and serve. Remove the cake from the oven and allow it to cool slightly. That is, if you have the patience to wait. Okay, if you like, trim off the top for a smooth finish. Please put your comment in the comment section below. Have you ever tried baking with condensed coconut milk? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's chat. Slice, serve, and enjoy this soft and fluffy coconut milk cake. And there you have it, guys, a simple, delicious condensed coconut milk cake that is easy to make and full of flavor, perfect for dessert, snacks, or anytime you're craving something sweet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Cake County for more easy cake recipes. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourself a very beautiful week. Bye for now, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.